About glottal. The glottis is the combination of vocal folds or vocal cords and the spacing between the folds.
Production involving only the glottis is called glottal. English, the glottal stop made by pressing the fold together is used a variant allophone of the phonemic.
Skilled players of the Australian Tigre-Judo restrict their glottal opening in order to produce the full range of timbres available on the instrument.
The vibration produced is an essential component of voice, consonant as well as vowel. If the vocal cords are drawn apart, air flows between them causing no vibration, as in the production of voiceless consonant.
Is also important in the Valsalva maneuver.
The Valsalva maneuver or the Valsalva maneuver is performed by moderately forceful attempted exhalation against a closed airway.
The glottis of man, which within sun inspiration is a sharp point on the airway. UTF-8, letters of the glottal stop. Glottis, creating a pressure drop across the larynx. The glottis is the breathing in the vocal pipe.
These are the example of glottal stop words: teach, fate, fog, ugly, fun, and take. We will use the glottal stop letters in a sentence. Example: Hey Dave, look what you gave to me. It's fake. Ballpen. I thought it's original.
Mr. Renan, can you teach me in our subject POC?
Look, Aris, that picture was so ugly, right?
Those children is having their fun.